I may not be the best angel to support the leadership of the day. The people who sent me to this assembly, they gave me powers to speak on their behalf. You cannot deny the people of Masige East their rights. Mr. Speaker, I also request the chair implementation, Mheshimiwa Ichuni Ward, please give us the status report of the implementation of the budgets that we pass here, so that we don't just make it like a comic. I don't need to be informed by you. Have your own information. I don't need information. Motume, you are part of the problems. I don't need to be informed by a fool. I don't have to be informed. Don't inform me. Don't inform me. Don't inform me. Don't inform me. Respect and rules. I ask myself, how stupid am I to sit in this house every other time, do the budget, no implementation? If there is implementation, it is skewed to those purported to be supporting the government of the day. Mr. Speaker, on record, I may not be the best angel to support the leadership of the day. The people who sent me to this assembly, they gave me powers to speak on their behalf. The making of budgets in this assembly, not once, not twice, more than 3 times. Mr. Speaker, in the last financial year, 2023-2024, I allocated funds to the health department, which was whooping 10.6 million, Mr. Speaker. That went to Kionyo, Kiobegi, and the Igoma dispensaries. To date, nothing has happened to those facilities. 2 years down the line, no contract on site, nothing has happened. Mr. Speaker, on roads, the last financial year, I had 6 roads that were to be maintained in Masige East in the spirit of budget making. To date, only 2 roads have been properly constructed and paid, Mr. Speaker. This financial year, 2024-2025, 27 million Kenyan shillings are allocated to the Department of Roads. To date, nothing has happened in my ward. Mr. Speaker, on 3rd of January this year, a contractor came to my ward. When he came to my ward, and we were told by the executive that every ward will be having its own contractor. The contractor came to my ward, did grade 1 road out of the 10 that I had. I don't know from which